Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will demonstrate the rope threading procedure. First, secure the entire spool of rope in place. Then thread the rope through the guide holes marked 1, 2, and 3 in sequence. Next, pass the rope through the hole above position 3. Move to the front of the machine, pull the rope out through hole number 4, and route it around the outside of the guide wheel. Then continue threading the rope through rollers 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 in order. Please note that at position 10, the rope must be routed from bottom to top. Press the locking mechanism on the left side and push the rope into the holding position. Finally, pull the rope tight and press the rope cutting device to trim off the excess rope, completing the threading process. When the rope is nearly used up, we recommend tying the next spool of rope to the end of the current one in advance. This allows the machine to continue operating without interruption and eliminates the need to rethread the rope. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.